To use the new journal app on your iPhone, just open the app from your home screen. Once you enter, you will land on the main dashboard. Here you can see your insights, your streaks, and how much you have written over the year. Right now, you can see everything is empty because we have not created any entries yet. It shows no current streak, zero entries, 0 days journaled, and 0 words written. Below that, you get a calendar view where all your past entries will appear as dots. Now, let's actually create our first entry. Tap on the journal tab, and you will see a blank page with no entries. To add one, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. This opens up the writing interface at the top. You get space to add a title. Below that, you can start typing whatever you want. This can be your thoughts, your day summary, ideas, anything. On the bottom bar, you get multiple tools: the magic star icon for suggested moments, photo icon to add images from your gallery, camera icon to click a photo and add instantly, audio waveform icon if you want to record a voice note, location icon to save your current place, and the last icon on the right gives you prompts that helps you write. Once you are done writing, just tap the check mark button on the top right to save your entry. After saving, your insights page will automatically start updating. Your sticks will show if you write daily or weekly. Entries will appear on the calendar and you will see the total number of days you have journal along with the total words written. That's it. This is how you use Apple's new journal app. It is super simple, clean, and perfect for daily reflections. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.